My name's Brian, and I went to Eagle Crest High School in Denver, Colorado. And I am a junior here at Colorado State, and I am double majoring in engineering science and physics. Well, this here is a laser system that we are in the process of designing and building. And the overall goal of the laser system is to generate very short wavelength light, which has never been done by such a short or small scale system as this one here. And part of the problem with these laser beams, which are generated at the other end of the table here, is that they're too intense to propagate through air without scattering. So at some point in the system, the laser beams have to enter a vacuum chamber. And last summer I spent about 10 weeks designing these chambers here. So far they seem to work. This here is the part that I'm going to make. This is SolidWorks, the 3D CAD program that I use to design all the parts. This mirror holder will go into one of those vacuum chambers that we saw upstairs. And as I said, it's going to be used to hold a mirror that will help align the laser beam. So now I have to manually position the edge finder in order to find the edge of the part. I think I chose engineering science because I wanted to be an engineer, but I really had a sort of, I guess, sick curiosity as to like physics and the more fundamental nature of science. And I think engineering science gave me that opportunity to sort of merge the applied sciences of engineering with the more fundamental approach of physics. It really depends on the part you're making. I mean, some parts you can have them done in half an hour. You know, some parts could take you a day or two. It just depends on how many steps there are, how many faces you have to mill, and how many times you screw up. Last summer I spent a lot of time just on the computer, sort of doing a lot of design work, and now I get to actually get my hands on something and really build the stuff that I designed. Well, the machine can hold up to 20 different tools. Usually for any particular operation it's like 3 or 4 different tools. I think it was a really great experience. It was quite different from coursework, where you do all this work only to have an answer at the bottom of the page that you put a circle around, whereas the work at the lab, when you're done, you can see it, you have it built, you can watch it work, and I think that's a really unique experience compared to coursework. And I am planning to continue my work there. I will work there over this summer, continuing the same project, and then my senior design project will be at the same lab with Jorge. Yay.